What's up, it's Kendra, and today I'm showing you my everyday makeup look. It's on my face right now. My everyday makeup look is very simple and very easy, I think. So if you're wondering how I got to this, make sure you keep watching. Alright, so the first thing I gotta do is pull these bangs back. They definitely went crazy last night, so I have my little pigtails in right now. I'm just gonna get them out of the way even more. So I definitely kind of did my everyday makeup look on my Get Ready With Me, but a few things have kind of changed, so I just wanted to do it again. So first I'm using that same face lotion and just rubbing that all over my face. Again, not sure if it works, but it feels like it works, so I use it. My makeup look is pretty light. I don't really put foundation on. I used to wear BB cream a lot because it was a lot lighter, but yeah, I usually just wear concealer. So I'm just going to be putting on Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the color Light. I'm just going to be putting that on all my blemishes. Surprisingly, even though I have bangs, my forehead is not like broken out. I'm kind of surprised because I thought it'd break out really bad. It hasn't yet, so Next, for the under eyes, I'm going to be using CoverGirl's Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer in the color Light Medium. And this is just going to be going under my eye. This concealer definitely is not heavy at all, so if you're looking for concealer that's very light on the skin, this is perfect. And I'm just going to blend in my concealer with one of these little sponges. Boom. Now I usually set my concealer with a powder, and this one is the Maybelline New York Fit Me in the color Buff Beige. I've been just using this sponge in here. It's been doing its job, so I've used different things though for it, and just patting that all over my face. Now I'm going to do some blush. The blush I'm using is part of the Master Contour palette by Maybelline New York. It's in the color Light to Medium, and it's just the middle blush color. Now onto brows. I'm just taking a little spoolie brush thing and brushing them out. They definitely need to be done, but it's okay. It's okay. What I use for my eyebrows is not actual eyebrow gel. It is eyeliner gel, and it's in the color Blackest Black. My eyebrows have always been naturally very dark, and just using gel eyeliner, it is perfect. So weird, but there's some very small sparse places that I'm just filling up. Now is the eyes. Lately for school I've been using this sleek eyeshadow palette. The palette is called When the Sun Goes Down, and I've just been using basically a few colors in here. I haven't really been doing much to my eyelids just because time in the morning. But today I'm going to be doing it as if I had a little bit more time, because sometimes I do. The other eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using is the Naked 2 palette. I use this so much. So I'm going to be using the color Foxy as the base. Then I'm going to be taking some of Suspect and putting that on my lid. Okay, now next I'm going to be using a color from the Sleek palette, and these don't have names, but that's okay. I'm just going to be using, there's like it's like a pinky kind of color. I'm just going to be putting that on my lid again. Now I'm going to take my angled brush from Eco Tools, and I'm going to mix the colors Tease and Snakebite, and that's going to go on my outer corner and a little bit into my crease. I also kind of like to slowly blend it up. I'm gonna take Booty Call from my Naked 2 palette and put that on my brow bone. One last thing with the Sleek palette, it's the third color on the top row. It is super sparkly, and I've been loving putting it on like my inner corner and a little bit on the like inner part of my lid, and it just... So the first mascara I'm going to be using, the label rubbed off, but it's from CoverGirl, and it's this blue, it says blue mascara, fibers. I can read that. I'll have the name on the screen. I do have the color. It's in the color black. Now, if you watched my other video, you probably know what I'm gonna do now. So after I put one coat on, I like to curl my eyelashes just because they stick up better. Now I'm going to be using CoverGirl's Lash Blast Volume Mascara, and I'm going to be putting that as a second layer on top. It is in the color Black Brown. Now again, a lot of the times I curl my eyelashes after this, so we're just going to do that again because this is my everyday routine. Boom, look at those lashes. Now we're down to the last bit of stuff to do. Highlight. I haven't really been highlighting my cheekbone. I've been highlighting right above my lips. A little glow on your lips is like, yes honey. Now this highlight is in the same palette as my blush was. It's just on the end, and I usually use my finger. I guess the last thing I technically do is lips, but I don't think I'm going to be doing really much to them. I'm going to be using Baby Lips Crystal. It's like a neutral color, but it has these little pieces of crystal in them. Basically, it's just to add a little bit of shine. So this is my everyday makeup look. It is finished, and it's very simple. Very easy to do, but I enjoy doing it, so. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked seeing me put on my everyday makeup look. I keep saying it, but it's very simple and easy to do, so that's why I do it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night, whatever that may be, and I will see you guys in the next video. My camera's about to die. The other, you're gonna every day. Let's normal.